Fast free traffic is a system to help beginners succeed with online marketing. It makes generating steady organic traffic easier. Starting out can feel overwhelming. Figuring out how to drive visitors to your site is confusing. This program simplifies the process. It focuses on easy-to-understand strategies. You can implement them even if you're a total beginner. The training breaks things down step by step. It guides you through everything you need to know, from traffic basics to creating engaging content. It's about building a foundation, one that ensures long-term results, not quick tricks or chasing trends. Beginners often struggle because they lack a plan. This system provides one. It makes getting started and staying consistent much easier. One standout part is how accessible it is. You don't need technical skills. You don't have to spend hours figuring things out. The video lessons, worksheets, and audios let you learn on your own time, like during a lunch break or while doing chores. This flexibility is a game changer for busy schedules. Another advantage is no paid ads needed. Many beginners avoid marketing because of high ad costs. This system uses free methods. You can drive traffic without blowing your budget. Perfect for growing your presence online without financial risk. If you're new, a big challenge is knowing where to start. Fast free traffic tackles this directly. It breaks everything into actionable steps. No guesswork is involved. You'll know what to do next and how. This removes the common stress of learning something new. It also provides support. Ask questions in the YouTube comments. I'll answer them personally. It's a great way to get clarity as you explore what works for your goals. What really makes this program stand out is its focus on sustainability. Many beginners rely on short-term traffic methods. This system teaches you to create lasting traffic sources. It's about building momentum and sustainable results. For anyone wanting to avoid frustration starting out, Fast Free Traffic offers a clear path forward. To learn more about the system and my 20 premium bonuses, visit my InfoSpike link below. It could be your chance to finally make progress with your traffic efforts.